channel, AJ Tech House. Again, I would like to welcome you, my old subscribers and new viewers, new subscribers. Welcome again to my channel, and then I would like you to comment on any of the videos I have created before now to request for any tech video you want, right? Around Microsoft 365 and other technologies, right? Today's agenda, right? I'll be taking you through the process of adding multiple email accounts to new Outlook. Someone actually requested for this video, and I'll be making this video. So without wasting much time, I would like to share my screen, right, to guide you through the process. However, before I proceed, please, if this is your first time or visiting my YouTube channel, or you've been a constant viewer, however, you've not liked any of my videos, you've not subscribed to my channel, please, I'm enjoining you to kindly subscribe to my channel and then like my videos, and also share with your colleagues that you know might need these videos, right? So I'll be sharing my screen right away. I believe you can see my screen. Yeah, you can see the blue screen. I'll move this down a little bit, and then I have my Outlook launched. So how did I get to this point? I could just click on start, right, and then type Outlook, and then it comes up. So I have my new Outlook showing up. So this is because on the old Outlook, right, I toggled the button at the top right that shows new Outlook. So that's why when I'm starting Outlook newly, it shows the new Outlook. So I have an account that I would like to add. I'll click on continue. So while this is setting up, remember the process, the stuffs I told you about when I created the first video for the old Outlook, right? So this process, it's trying to set up things, right? Set up the account, this is the process where Auto Discover comes in, trying to discover this account, if this account is actually a Microsoft account or a different email provider, right? So if it's a Gmail, automatically it picks it up as a Gmail, or if it's AOL, or if it's Yahoo Mail or any other mail provider, right? So, and then as you can see here, it says my email. Okay, that prompt is off. So you say new tools to manage your account, add all your account. You can add all email providers here, and as you can see, I have the account added here, right? You can see Joshua at mydomainname.com. If I want to add a different account, let's say a different Gmail account, as you can see, it's different. The Outlook interface is actually different. The new Outlook is actually different. Yeah, and then you see here, before now you would see file, you see all those things. Now you just see your mail, your calendar, and people. You have groups, you have to do, you have your OneDrive, and then you have more apps, right? And then I'll just go back to mail. You can also check other ribbons, menus, right? The view, the help, and then the ribbons shows up where you can actually customize your Outlook actually. So if I want to add a different account, so as you can see, I can't see file here. How am I going to do that? Right, so all I need to do, you see at the top here, we have some icons at the top right, where you have the minimize, the maximize, the cancel, and then you have my day. Yeah, then you have the notifications, you have settings, and then you have the bulb icon that is basically for tips. And you remember I told you when I started the video, I got to the new Outlook, right? So for now, you could still revert back to the old Outlook. So all you need to do is to toggle this button back, and then your Outlook reverts back to the old Outlook. So I don't want that. I want to add a different account on my my new Outlook. So I click on settings. So I need to do is to just click on settings here, and then a page comes up, right? With settings, you see accounts, general, mail, calendar, people, and then for each menu you have other sub menus. So on the account, I have the email account here. So you can see that I have my account, right? The one I just added, the Microsoft account. I also have my Gmail account here, right? That's requiring me to sign in. So let's say I want to add a different account, a different Gmail account. Let's say one of my Gmail accounts, right? Let me see. Can I click on so it says sync your Gmail, right? Remember I spoke about auto discover automatically, right? Auto uses auto discover to discover that this is a Gmail account. I click on continue, and then it brings me up to this point where I need to sign in and the likes, right? So let's see. Please switch your browser and sign in and return here. So let me switch to the browser. Let me sign in. Right, and then I click on continue. Microsoft services, I click on allow. So this is like a handshake between Microsoft and Gmail, right, and Google, right? So it says Outlook, allow site to open MS Outlook with new Outlook, right? So I think I'll just go back here. Let's see, waiting for email provider. Okay, let me come back here. I click open link, right? So it opens Outlook automatically. Uh, Waiting for email provider. So let's just wait, and then it gets added because I've signed in on the browser, right? And then my email is synced. Click on done. As you can see that my Gmail is added here. If I close this and then I come back to the left hand side, I can see that my new Gmail is already added here and syncing. It's pulling down the emails I have right in my inbox and then those in my draft. So that's the way to add multiple accounts on the new Microsoft Outlook applications. Thank you very much for watching my video, and then I would like to really appreciate you for requesting for this video, right? And then please, any other video you'd like me to make, reach out to me. And then please, before you go, I'd like you to subscribe to my channel, and then like the video and also share with your colleagues. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye bye.